Hi there. I'm Frank. I'm a customer success manager at Firefly, and we're here to provide a short product overview. What is Firefly? What do we do, and who do we help? So, Firefly integrates with and provides full infrastructure as code capabilities for AWS, providers like GCP, Microsoft Azure, as well as Kubernetes. We are a cloud asset management solution that helps different teams like DevOps teams, SRE, platform engineering teams, and we help them to manage cloud infrastructure. And let's be honest, that can be complex. These are the types of teams that need automation, they need metrics, and they need those things to help them with cloud reliability, cost, and security. Here at Firefly, we believe that a well managed cloud should address all three. So, how are we addressing this? Well, we're turning to our engineers, our customers, and we're saying, hey, we want to enable you to use infrastructure as code and govern multiple cloud accounts across different providers with the ability to scale fast. We want you to consider Firefly as your infrastructure as code tool to find your resources, create code for them in the language that you prefer, and then continuously manage your cloud to your desired state. So I just want a chance to demonstrate how Firefly can help you do this. So take a look at the screen real quick. First, Firefly helps you to inventory and govern your entire multi-cloud footprint. You can see all of my providers here on the dashboard. And this dashboard provides a view of all of your cloud assets and your infrastructure's code all in one place. Consider this like a snapshot of the health of your entire cloud. You can quickly see how much is managed with infrastructure as code here or even unmanaged and drifted. In the Inventory tab, you can easily export, view, and filter your multi-cloud footprint. This includes your deleted assets and Azure subscriptions. You can see deleted assets are here at the bottom. But this also includes the historical configuration of every asset that you and your team have ever changed. Managing and backing up your cloud-based SaaS applications like Datadog, GitHub, and Okta is included in these capabilities. These are common tools for your cloud, and it makes sense to see them all in one place. Let's assume that you're ready to codify the resources that already live in your provider web UI. Manually creating infrastructure as code for all of these resources would typically take forever and introduce some errors. With Firefly, you can find a resource or a group of resources you want to codify and just simply hit codify. Firefly reverse engineers the actual cloud asset and creates the infrastructure as code for it using Terraform, Pulumi, CDK, or Helm. It even includes dependencies and can create or use Terraform modules. We showed you how to reverse engineer code for assets that were provisioned in your provider web UI. But now, how can you provision assets using infrastructure as code? That's where the compose feature comes in. Simply click the compose feature and generate a new asset with AI in the language that you seek. Let's stick with Terraform for now. There you can see I've generated a Terraform template for an Azure blob in the East US region using that declarative prompt. And I have not only generated the main Terraform file for this, but all of the README and relevant files. So to wrap us up, you've spent a lot of time setting up your infrastructure as code and applying that code to all of your assets. Now, how do you protect yourself? Well, go here to the Policies and Insights tab. Here you can find open policy agent policies that you and your team can subscribe to that will protect your cloud against reliability, misconfiguration, and optimization issues. Even in the optimization issue, you can see the actual amount of money that you're estimated to save on these 242 assets. Please use this. Second is if folks are making changes to your infrastructure, either in the web UI or with code, and they're against the configuration or your desired configuration, simply go to the inventory and you can monitor for drifts. Here you can see all the drifts that are happening inside of my Azure environment, and you can fix those drifts and find the details of those drifts here and figure out why it's drifting. Hey, thanks so much for watching.